Awesome. So I guess we can start looking at lab 3 now, and if more people show up, and I'll just get them up to speed. So let me ask you a question. Did you already finish lecture activities 6 through 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 9.
Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go to Blackboard and pull up that part of the lab. Go to student preview. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. I think this would be
Wait,
better.
have you uploaded? Oh, it's lab
Huh?
3. Never mind. Never mind.
Sorry,
I was
what did you
looking
say?
for the lab, but I found it.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. Let me try to share my screen. Well, first let me close some things. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I need to close some things first, or else.
No, you're good.
Okay. Okay. So it's screen sharing right now. Okay. So basically, all I'm gonna do is do the same things that I did in the lab 3 assembly video. But if there's any issues with your header files, we can resolve that.
All right.
So I guess first thing we're gonna do is open Visual Studio 2019. Or actually, Husam,
Yeah.
would you like to do this on your screen and we can share
On
your
my screen?
uh,
Yeah, I'm
just a
fine with that.
suggestion if you only if you want to.
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
Okay, okay. So we'll look at your screen
Let
instead.
me just create the lab real quick.
Okay. Yeah, because I already know how to do it, but I think it'd
Yeah.
be more fruitful if I just guide you through it instead.
All right. Can you give me access to share screen?
Oh, okay. How do I do?
On the share button,
There we go.
there's an arrow. Yep. There you go.
Awesome.
All right.
Yeah, you got it. You know who some? I was really afraid that that the videos that I posted in regards to classes, they were long. They were
Mm-hmm.
almost reaching 2 hours. I thought,
Oh yeah.
yeah, I was afraid. Oh no, all my students are gonna get bored.
No,
No.
they they were long, but they had good information,
Okay,
so you can't like skip through it or anything.
that's good.
Oh wow, is this all of it for
Yep.
the main?
Yep. Awesome. Yeah, currently those are errors because you didn't put those header files yet.
Yeah, I don't have them yet.
Okay.
Wait, do you put them in the header folder or you just put them in here too?
You could put them in either or. It doesn't matter.
Alright. Because I'm used to putting them in the source file.
Oh wait. Husam, are you gonna make new header files from scratch? Because you don't have to do that. One thing that you could do is go to the File Explorer.
Right here?
Oh no.
Or over here?
Like
Oh, copy the other ones
yeah,
you had already?
yeah. That way you don't have to make them again.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you go to so try to find your electroactivity 8.
No, 8.
Yeah. So you see faculty type
We need
data.
all 3, right?
Yep. If I think if you hold down Control, you can select multiple at the same time, right? Yeah. So copy those.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now find a place where you save your lab 3. Yeah, and paste them there. Awesome.
And then there's open existing file, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it right here?
Yep. Existing item.
Yep. And
And then if you hold down Control again, you can select multiple.
all right, I got it.
Awesome.
Yeah, I think I had problem with. I forgot which one I emailed you,
Oh,
but
you
that
emailed?
one was just giving me a headache. Huh?
Oh,
No, this was a while ago.
oh,
I think maybe lecture activity 6 or 7.
oh, okay. Yeah, I think I saw that email. Okay, great. So the very next step is that we got to add 2 new text files, one called students.txt and then one called faculty.txt. And you should do that in the File Explorer as well.
You said to add 2.
Text files, yeah. I don't believe you can do that directly in the Visual Studio. I think you got to do it in, yeah.
All right, new.
Oh, hey, did you also hear the announcement that I completely omitted Lab 4? I told
Oh
myself,
yeah, I think you said it. You said it in one of the videos.
yeah,
I'm pretty sure.
yeah. I decided I'm giving you enough work.
Yeah.
Call this one
Thank you.
students.
What is it?
Yeah, you're gonna need 2. One called students, one called faculty. Perfect.
And then copy this into it.
Yep.
Wait, which one was that? No, that's the faculty.
Yeah.
And then students. Right here. All right. That's all we need to do now, correct?
Yeah, that's all you need
I
to do.
think. All right. Did I put it in there?
Oh, hey,
Let
Husam,
me-
could you do something real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, after you finish what you're doing right now, I'll tell you.
Oh, let me just check. Oh, I put it in. All right. Yeah. What's up?
Okay. So go back to your Visual Studio. Hover over source files. Go add existing item and try to add those two text files.
All right.
Yeah, like that. Perfect.
Oh, so yeah. All right.
Yeah, you can open them if you double click them.
Hmm. You want me to open them?
Oh, you don't have to. I just.
All
Yeah.
right.
Okay.
So
So it looks like you can run it now, I think. Well, if there's errors, we can sort through it.
yeah.
All right. All right. Let's see what the errors are. So if
Debug.
you so could, like, near the bottom of your screen, can you drag the output list up so we can see what it looks like? Yeah, and click. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And then click the. So there's three icons right there. One looks like a red X, and the other one looks like a yellow stop line. Like, I click the red
Mhm.
X. Yeah, that one. So let's see what it says. So class student type has no member set major. Class student type. Okay, like, pull it up a little higher so we can see it better.
Oh, all of them.
Yeah, just a little bit though. Well, not too much, but yeah. Okay, so it says main.cpp line 71. Student type has no member called set major. Oh, I think I know it's wrong. So I think go back. I think I know what's wrong. Could you open your student type.h?
Student type dot H. All right.
Yeah, I see what's wrong. So everything is case sensitive. In the main.cpp, it's set major with a capital M. You wrote set major with a lowercase m. Yeah.
Okay, I can change that.
Yeah. I make a habit of writing all of my variables and member functions in camel case.
Yeah, me too. But I just don't know why I wrote that one
Nah, it's okay.
different from the rest.
Yeah.
There's a way. Um, there's a way to change them all.
Yeah, there is.
I just forgot how to do it.
Yeah, I forgot how to do it too. I don't use that find and replace thing very often.
All right, I'm gonna just do it manually.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll figure it out again.
Oh, you don't have to change
This
that.
doesn't have to be capital, right? Yeah.
It doesn't need to be. Yeah.
Right here. That's it, right?
Mm-hmm. And then if we go back to the errors list, we can see that we have the same problem with set discipline and set salary for faculty type.h. So if you go there,
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
All right. Oh, something's wrong here. Did I change it? Yeah.
Oh, you put a D
I
instead
think
of an S. Do you see that? On line 9. Yeah.
Oh, I put D.
Yeah.
That should be good. Yep. Was there any other issues? Let's try.
If we run it again, the error list will update.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, perfect. You got it running. Now, I said this before in the other video, but this program, like this one that you may hear, it's the kind of thing that employers will look at, and employers will like when they consider hiring you in interviews. So, this program utilizes classes, inheritance, and operator overloading, right? And it simulates a school database. That's the kind of projects that employers like to see. So, like every computer science student should have a section in their resume called projects. And you should totally add this to your list of projects that you wrote a school database program that uses classes and inheritance and operator overloading. And it stores information on students and faculty. That's the kind of thing that employers are looking for.
They like to look at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I made a list of arbitrary commands there. So the way it works is that it pulls the information from the text files, and then it creates 2 vectors, one for students and one for faculty. And then we can add and delete students from the database if need be. So if you want, you could probably like add yourself to those vector students. Like, well,
Right.
yeah, it's case sensitive. So S should be capitalized. Well, first let's type S print so you can see all the students.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Did
all
I
of
do
the
it right?
students are
Oh
listed.
yeah.
Yeah, they're right there. There's 5 of them. And you could probably add yourself too if you wanted to. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Now you don't have to put your actual student ID or your GPA. I don't want to know it because of ethical reasons. Just make them up. I don't want to know your real age either. But yeah.
Oh, that's my age.
Yeah.
Or major.
Oh, that's your major.
Do I have to put quotes or just put it?
Just put it. And just make up a number for that. Nice. Now, if you type S print again, you'll show up on the list of students. There you are.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Search. Wait, let's try.
Yeah, it's case sensitive.
Oh shoot. Wait, question. I want to see something real quick.
Okay.
Okay, right here. So what it does is it takes in whichever one of these you click, right?
Yep. And as you can see, it's all one big while loop. So this uh, this
Yeah.
this will iterate every time command does not equal to exit.
Oh, okay. So right here, can't we do it where it's like this?
Yeah, you can do that.
That would work?
Yeah, you can do that.
Oh, okay.
But you don't want to change the code while it's debugging. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah, so you're probably gonna want to hit the big. Oh yeah, now it's done. So go ahead and save it, and you can run it again if you want to. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, shoot. That's not going to work. Yeah, it's just going to get out of it.
yeah.
Is that all it?
Huh?
Oh, is that the end of it? Sorry. This is just in case. Wait, let me see. Sorry. Is this
Oh,
if they input? Wait.
so all of the other else's check to see if it equals to a command. But if command does not equal exit, because that's the only other situation. So
Yeah.
that means it doesn't equal to any of the commands, and so it'll see out. Sorry, that's not a valid command.
Hmm. Is there anything else part of Lab 3?
No, that's actually it. So if you want to turn this in now, you can run it, take a screenshot, and then send it to my email because this is due next week. Oh, you just opened the string library. Did you notice that?
Where?
Oh, if you go back to Visual Studio. Yeah, you opened the string library. Go ahead and close that without.
Oh.
Yeah. So occasionally when it if a particular library is giving you an error, it'll open itself.
Oh.
And yeah. Okay.
Oh, do you want me to? Yeah, I should run it. Huh.
Oh no, it's fine. If you give me a screenshot, I already know it works.
Yeah. And then Lab 3. Wait, no. All right. Cancel. Wait, if you click exit, what does it do again?
I'm sorry. What are you trying to do? Oh, it just closes the program. That's
Oh,
it.
this exits. Oh, perfect. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, because when command doesn't equal exit, it'll keep running. But when it does equal exit, it'll just
Hmm.
stop.
And this is.
Oh, those are just some code that I was doing when I was the
Oh.
debugging.
All right. Oh, actually, I don't know if you want to stop the recording. or is it okay if I ask a question about activity 9?
Sure. Well, I can stop recording first if you want me to. If you want to
No,
ask
it's
a
fine.
question.
It's up to you.
Okay.
I was just a little confused on understanding the the code, like trying to
Mhm.
break it down here for this one.
Yeah. Recursion can get confusing at times.
Yeah, it's just I'm trying to understand like the basic. So right here, what it does
Hmm.
is, wait, let's say n equals 4.
Yep.
So factorial, so it would be 4 right here. If
Hmm.
n equals 0, which it doesn't, then it skips this part.
And then does
And
that.
then returns, so it does 4 times, and then it goes through the loop again, right?
Yeah. It does the recursive call. But instead of 4, it's going to be 3 this time.
So it'd be 4. Yeah, that's what's confusing me is, let's say, so it's n, and then it goes back to the top,
Yep.
and then does 3 all over.
Yeah. So um, when a user-defined function is called, a pointer is placed at the beginning of the user-defined function, and then it returns after it gets its return. Um, so it needs to retrieve something. So in the first time that we called factorial, we
Mm.
return 4 times whatever this thing is.
Yeah.
Now we can't return it yet because we didn't calculate it yet. So what
Mm.
needs to happen is that the compiler will call factorial inside the factorial call that we already called. You know?
Oh, so it's gonna wait until it has the final answer,
Yes.
like
Because
until it hits 0.
because the first call can't return until it has like a value to return, right?
Yeah.
So uh, the way to look at it is like I was actually looking at some diagrams on the recursion online. Have you ever seen like so when I was looking at like recursive like algorithm diagrams like on Google and stuff. Have you ever seen like those Russian dolls where you put one inside of the other?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like that. Um, that's a good way of thinking about it.
And then for, oh, actually the return one,
Yeah,
what
we
what
need a
does
base.
that do?
We need a base case to return because we can't have factorial call itself forever, right? We need a place. We
Mm.
need a base case so that we can start returning. So inside of the so say factorial equals 4, we're gonna
Mm-hmm.
have we're gonna have 5 factorial functions nested in each other, right?
Yeah.
Factorial 4 contains
3,
factorial
2.
3, 2, and then 1, and then
Yeah.
0. When n equals 0, we return the number 1 because here's the thing: the factorial of 0 is 1,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So uh, we finally return 1 uh, because of that. The number 1 is returned to uh, the factorial function where
Oh,
n
it's
equals 1.
returned into here.
Yes, it returns there.
Oh, okay. So it would be basically what it does once it hits 0.
Yeah,
Like when once it's 1 minus 1 and it's 0,
yeah. So
then it
uh,
adds the, or multiplies by that 1.
Mhm.
Okay, I get it. Yeah.
So
Because I was thinking it would return the one like back to the
no,
up here, but it doesn't.
yeah,
Yeah.
everything is nested. So we're kind of going into the
That
rabbit
makes sense.
hole, and then we go out of the rabbit hole.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Now the Fibonacci function is a bit different because it calls itself twice. You see that?
yeah, it's used twice. Return. So let's say it was 3.
Hmm.
It would be 2 plus 1.
Yeah, Fibonacci 2 and then Fibonacci 1.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, yeah, it would be Fibonacci, so it would go back.
Now, Fibonacci 2, we would, so it's since it's calling itself twice, the first
Hmm.
Fibonacci number, because it's 2, we would do the general case again. But for Fibonacci 1, because it's 1, we would return 1. See?
Yeah. So it would be 2 plus 1, right?
Fibonacci 2 plus
Plus
1.
Fibonacci. Yeah.
But then we would have to do a recursive call to figure out what Fibonacci 2 is.
Wait, let's do 5 for instance. It would be 4 plus
Fibonacci.
3,
Hmm.
or Fibonacci 4 plus Fibonacci 3. So you'd have to do those all over, like you'd have to go back and do it.
Yeah. Like, I can draw something like, hold on. I'm going to draw something.
All right.
Hmm. Yeah, and then I'll take a picture and I'll send it to you. Let me just email this to myself, and then I'll email it to you.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, recursion is not very. It's kind of hard to grasp, but uh, when you understand it, it's powerful. So I'll
Mm.
email something to you, so you understand what's happening. Okay, I emailed you a diagram that I drew just now.
Alright.
so that you can have a better grasp of what's happening.
Do you want me to open it?
If you want to. Well, I'll just pull it up on my screen. That's fine. Hold on. Let me quickly go to my downloads and rotate this. I'll just show it on my screen. It's fine.
All right.
Yeah. So if you can see what's happening here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna use. I'm gonna draw this in red so it's visible. So we have Fibonacci 4 here. We're going to return, if you look back in the code, it's going to return Fibonacci minus 1, Fibonacci minus 2. So it will return Fibonacci 3 plus Fibonacci 2. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, both of these have its own recursive call. Fibonacci 3 is going to be Fibonacci 2 plus Fibonacci 1. Now, because the base case is going to be when it's 1 or 0, Fibonacci 1 will return 1.
Yeah.
But Fibonacci 2 is going to return Fibonacci 1 plus Fibonacci 0. So when this evaluates, it's going to return 0. It's going to return 0 plus 1. So we add these together. So this Fibonacci 2 will return the value of 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Fibonacci 3 will return whatever this value is plus whatever this value is. This Fibonacci 1 returns 1.
So it'd be 2.
So Fibonacci 3 returns 2. And as for this side, Fibonacci 2 will return Fibonacci 1 plus Fibonacci 0. Because 1 and 0 is the base case, Fibonacci 1 will return 1. Fibonacci 0 will return 0. Fibonacci 2 will return the addition of the 2, so 1. So, which means that Fibonacci 4 will return 2 plus 1, which is going to be 3.
3.
Yeah. And if I actually...
Yeah, that makes so much more sense.
Yeah, maybe I should have had a diagram like in one of the lecture slides, but I didn't have that foresight. But anyways, if I listed the Fibonacci numbers, like it's 0, 1, 1, 2. Hold on. I can't remember what the Fibonacci sequence is. Sorry. It's 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So this is the 0th term. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So we can see that the fourth term is 3, and that's what we're outputting. Does that make better sense?
Let me take a picture of that. Yeah.
Okay.
It was just harder putting it, like, trying to do it in my head.
Okay.
But it makes sense now. Thank you.
Yeah. And the larger...
It's like the same almost. Go ahead.
Yeah, the larger Fibonacci...
Oh, no,
the larger it is, the bigger this tree will get.
Yeah.
And I think we're going to start talking about trees in the next lecture video. I think. Because at this point in time, we're actually kind of almost dipping into CSE 2020 material.
Mhm.
I'm only going to talk about trees and heaps. But yeah,
Yeah.
I think I can stop sharing my screen now. Oh, did you get this already?
No, I got it. Yeah. Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll stop sharing. Okay, cool. So so I
So
was
this
kind of
week,
hoping that. I'm sorry, Husam, what did you say?
no, go ahead.
Oh, okay.
What
So
were you saying?
oh yeah, I was gonna ask this question, hoping more people would show up, but since it's just you, I guess I'll just ask you. So here's the thing. Uh, assuming you turned everything in, all of the activities are done, all of the labs are done, the midterms long been done. The only thing that's left now is the final. I was thinking of delivering the final, like, let me open up my syllabus. Okay, I'm gonna screen share one more time, actually, if you don't mind. Share. So I was the original plan was to give the final on November 27th, so that you have 2 weeks. But I was thinking, since it's already ready to distribute, I was thinking maybe I'll just put it on Blackboard now, and then you'll have the remainder of the semester to do it. So because for for some of the students who already turned everything in, they got like nothing to do now. So maybe I'll just give.
Yeah.
Uh, is that
Like
fine?
can't activity. Yeah, I mean, there are some students that like to get things early done.
Yeah, because
I
here's
mean, I
the thing:
don't want to.
if you
I
get class out of the way, you can
hmm
focus the remainder of your time on your other classes. That's just my thinking.
Yeah, that sounds pretty. I mean, I don't see why not.
Okay. Yeah,
As
as
long as
thing.
wait, this week, the only thing that's due is lab 3 and lecture 9,
Oh no,
and
I pushed the due date of Lab 3 to November 20th.
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this syllabus is not updated, and I completely got rid of Lab 4 as well.
But activity 10 is still there, correct?
Yeah, activity then
Okay.
will still be due on December 4th.
Yeah, I don't see why not then. If
Okay.
I mean, that's just me. That's what I would agree on. I like the idea.
Okay. So I guess later today or tomorrow I'll post the final on
Yeah.
Blackboard, and I'll just make an announcement. Hey, it's already there. You can do it if you want. The only deal is I wouldn't be able to post a video for the practice final solutions until later, and I also
Yeah.
won't be able to do the final meeting until the day that I said I would. Like I think I said December 4th.
Yeah.
Right? But
Yeah, that's no problem having uh you grade it later and all that. It's just good for like the other students to have a head start, you know?
yeah, because um, well, in my opinion, this final exam is so easy that some of you might not need the free solution.
Mm,
Some of you might not need to see what the practice final solutions are.
yeah.
Maybe. Well, I don't know yet. But if I were ever to teach this class again, there's a lot of things that I do different. I think I would take 1 week for searching and sorting instead of two. Maybe I would take 2 weeks of operator loading instead of just one. But yeah, a lot of things were learned this.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah,
You can't be perfect on the first try.
yeah. But yeah. So I guess yeah. Maybe later I'll post the final and then I'll make an announcement. Hey, it's
Yeah, whenever you can. It's up to you.
awesome. Yeah,
All right, man.
glad I got your opinion. So I guess that kind of wraps it up for this meeting. What do you say, Houston?
We're still having another Zoom meeting, correct?
Yeah, just one
All
more
right,
Zoom
perfect.
meeting in regards to the final exam,
Exam. Yeah, perfect.
where the class votes and they choose which problem is the hardest, and we do it as a class.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. So, does this wrap it up for this Zoom meeting? Can I?
Yep,
Awesome.
it's all good.
Husam, you have an excellent day.
You too.
All right. Take care.
See you. Bye.
Thanks for coming.
No problem. Bye.